Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm talking about how to search for schools and programs using the UNI portal. If you're ready for this video, stay tuned. Welcome back guys once again. So my name is Promzy. I'm a Ghanaian based in Germany. On my channel I make videos like this to help international students who want to come to Germany and further their education. Recently I made a video on how to search for universities and courses using the DAD website, and one of my subscribers reached out to me in the comment section to make a similar video on how to search for universities and courses using the UNI portal. So if you have any video suggestions, you can put in the comment section below and I'll be glad to make a video about it for you. So without wasting my time, let's just dive straight into the screen and let's go through the step-by-step process of searching for schools using the UNI portal. So let's just dive straight into it. So you just type UNI Assist. You come to UNI Assist. If you don't have an account, you create a new account. If you have an account, you just log into your account so that all the applications you are making will be saved under or in your account. Creating the account is not very difficult. It's just like creating a simple account. So that's how the interface of the UNI platform or portal looks like. You log into your account, you have the account, your application, your inbox, and applications you are working on at the moment. So you come to the home page, and on the onset we have about 5,526 courses to select from, and this criteria will help you narrow down this number even lower so that you can select the courses or the schools you want to attend. So the first search is what program you intend to do or you intend to come to Germany to pursue in. For me, I'm a science related person, so you just type science and it will go through the universities and select universities that do program that's relating to science, Masters of Science and Masters of Engineering, things relating to science and that field. The next one is the semester. What semester do you intend to come to Germany? Are you coming during the winter semester or the summer semester? Like I said in my previous videos, the winter semester is the main academic semester for enrollment and admissions. That means there will be a lot of universities and courses available during the winter semester as compared to the summer semester. So let's select the winter semester. But mind you, the next semester is summer semester. That means there wouldn't be a lot of courses that are available during this time because you're in March and winter applications start around June, July. The university. So there's when you type the particular university you want to go to. That is if you have any university in mind or a friend has recommended any university to you. So let's say a friend recommended Dortmund, TU Dortmund. You type TU Dortmund and they are going to give you some science related courses. So let's just reset it. We have the advanced searches, like the state in which the university is in. I said the location of the university is not really important for international students. Once it's in Germany, students are good to go. So, but if you really want to go to a particular state because either your family lives there or for some reasons you want to go to a particular state, you can just select the state, North Rhine-Westphalia. If that's the state you want to go to, you select it and it will select schools that are only in North Rhine-Westphalia for you. But let's say if you want to choose maybe Saxony or Berlin, you choose Berlin and this will be the universities that are available in that particular cities. Like I said, the location is not really important when you are looking for schools and courses to read in Germany. So the type of degree, so this is the type of degree you want to come and pursue. Is it a bachelor degree? Is it a teaching degree? Are you looking to do a diploma, or you are in for your master's? So if you're in for your master's, you select your master's, and all the courses here now are courses that are degrees for master's. That means bachelor and other level of degree wouldn't appear here. It will only be master degree courses. So course of study, this particular tab, I don't know the use and the function of it. I just select all, and all of the options will be there for me so that I'll scan through it myself and select what I want to go through. Here, Uni Assist responsible. Are you looking for schools that apply through Uni Assist only, or you want Uni Assist to even add schools that do not make their application through Uni Assist? I think when I'm using Uni Assist, I'm looking for schools that only make the application through Uni Assist. For me personally, so I always select yes for only Uni Assist schools. If you are using Uni Assist as the general search engine for your schools in Germany, then you select all. Then in this case, even universities that do not require you to apply through Uni Assist will show up here, and you go to their website and apply. But for me, I always select yes, so that I know that all the universities here are universities for Uni Assist. So for me personally, I think these are the most important criteria you need to input if you are coming to use Uni Assist as your portal. This can also be used to narrow the search even down further. Let's say science related something. So science. So it will now make my search a little bit more easier, because I know all the courses that are listed here are science related courses. I hope you're enjoying the video you are watching, and if you like the content, you can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and giving me a thumbs up. Let's get back to it. So now let's go through and see how the application is done. So if you come through here and there are some courses, there are some schools that you think they are interesting or you like to consider, you select this one and it will add, the course has been added to your selection list. So this is my selection list. So as it stands now, I have only one course in my selection list. So you go through, I think this is the first scan, you go through some of the courses. Some of the courses are not open for admission because we are not in the admission period now. So let's select a few courses and let's go and see how the application is done. So if you want to know more about the school, you come here, you click, it will tell you more about the state, the campus, and other important stuff about the school. So it has given you information about application deadline. If you are not an EU member, you are supposed to apply till 15th of July, and for the summer, you are supposed to apply till 15th of January. So this shows some information about the courses and the university application. So let's add some of the courses we want to go through, and we'll go into details later on. If you come to document under my application, this is where you upload important documents that are relevant or necessary for your application. Here you see things like application form if it's required, CV which is required for your application, language certificate if you have A1, if you have English proficiency, letter of motivation, other related document like certificate and other things that will help you with your application, passport, school certificate, study certificate, internship, and all important documents that will help you with your admission should be uploaded in this section. So for those who didn't know, Uni Assist actually charge for their services. So for the first school you choose, you pay 75 euros and you pay 30 euros for each other school you add. So this is the first school we selected. We are paying 75 euros, 30 euros, and any other school we add will be 30 euros, 30 euros, 30 euros. So for the 5 schools we selected so far, we are paying 195 euros for the 5 schools, which I think is not that expensive compared to other countries and how much they charge for registration or application fees. And some of the schools require that you fill mandatory questions, And these are basic questions, whether you've done internship, the name of the company that you did the internship, the field in which it was in. These are usually basic information, a 2-page form that can be easily filled out without any struggle. And if the school demands that you fill these forms, you can't proceed with your application if these forms are not filled and completed. If the school requires that you fill these forms, it's mandatory that you fill these forms. Other than that, your application wouldn't be successful to that particular university. So if there's a particular university you are no longer interested in, you can just remove the university from your list. You confirm that you're removing the university, and you focus on the universities you want to apply to. If you are through and we think these 3 universities are okay for you, you proceed to payment. After the payment, it will take a couple of days for them to receive the money, and to be indicated that the payment was received successfully by UNI Assist. Like I said, the UNI Assist platform isn't that complicated. It's very easy, and for me, I use UNI Assist and DAD, and I think these are the main 2 platforms students use to apply to universities in Germany. I hope I was able to take you through the step-by-step process in searching for schools and programs using the UNI Assist portal. I have a lot of informative and insightful videos like this that is going to help you through your application process. But if due to 1 or 2 reasons you're unable to go through the process yourself, or you need extra assistance, you can always reach out to me and I'll be willing to help. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video very educative and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and put a nice comment in the comment section below. Like always, the name is Promzy and I'm signing out. Peace.